तो मैं ये समझना चाहता हूं कि एन इंजीनियर
Mm-hmm.
कम मार्केटिंग गाय
Mm-hmm.
कम एमबीए
Mm-hmm.
हाउ कम बिकेम एन इंटीरियर डिजाइनर? डू यू जेन्युइनली खुद believe in the terminology of minimalism?
Always, customers, my friends, they were giving us orders without having seen what our capability was.
इतना भरोसा था.
इतना भरोसा था. I myself cannot afford essential.
वन चीज जो आप कहते हैं कि सबके घर में तो होना ही चाहिए, वो क्या है? जहां पे बहुत से लोग, हम सब इंटीरियर डिजाइन्स के बारे में फोटोज देखते हैं, वीडियोस देखते हैं, पॉपअप होता रहता है. तो आपके लिए क्या मुश्किल होता है टू कन्विंस क्लाइंट्स फिर, क्योंकि इतना एक्सपोजर लेवल हो गया उनका?
Uh, um,
Some call them the best interior designer company in हमारा भारत. कुछ लोग कहते हैं कि ये रीइमेजिन करवाते हैं लग्जूरियस लिविंग इन इंडिया. और द मैन बिहाइंड एसेंशिया एनवायरमेंट्स, वो क्या कहते हैं अपने खुद की कंपनी के बारे में? बिकॉज व्हाट एन इनक्रेडिबल जर्नी. हरदेश चावला जी, कैसे हैं आप?
very good, ji. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, and good to have you over, Siddharth.
थैंक यू सो मच. ये आपका ही घर है, आपका ही ऑफिस है, आपका ही परिवार है. आप बताएंगे कि हम लोग कहाँ बैठे हुए हैं इस वक्त?
सो अभी हम इस समय बैठे हैं हमारे पहले एक्सपीरियंस सेंटर में, गुड़गांव में. एंड हियर वी हैव ट्राइड टू डिस्प्ले एवरीथिंग दैट वी मैन्युफैक्चर इन हाउस.
क्या बात है. बट आई नो यू हैड एन इनक्रेडिबल जर्नी. बट मैं ये जानना चाहता हूँ कि मैं थोड़ा कंफ्यूज था कि मैं आपको कैसे इंट्रोड्यूस करूँ. यहाँ मैंने सोचा एमडी ऑफ एसेंशिया एनवायरमेंट्स, फिर मैंने सोचा सीईओ, फिर मैं आपके दरवाजे के बाहर गया और वहां पे लिखा था सॉल्यूशनिस्ट
दैट्स राइट
ऑफ एसेंशिया
right.
एनवायरमेंट्स. माने क्या दिन भर सॉल्यूशंस देते रहते हैं गड़बड़ियों के
देयर
साथ
इज
की?
देखो, देयर इज अ स्टोरी बिहाइंड दैट. जब हमने ऑफिस बनाया एंड यू नो द थॉट केम कि व्हाट एग्जैक्टली एम आई, व्हाट शुड बी माय डेजिग्नेशन. एंड आफ्टर थिंकिंग वी रियलाइज दैट most of the time I spend in solving problems. So I wrote problem solver. And then one of our clients visited. She said, you know, problem solver has a negative connotation. So she suggested, let's change it to solutionist. And that's where this came from.
तो होपफुली आप मुझे भी बहुत सारे सॉल्यूशंस देंगे, मेरे व्यूअर्स को भी आज.
Hopefully, yes.
या बट आई एम श्योर अबाउट दैट.
Yes.
तो मैंने सुना है कि आप पढ़ाई लिखाई में माने अच्छे थे कि ठीक ठाक थे आप?
I think school में ठीक ठाक था, उसके बाद सुधर गया.
सुधर गया.
हाँ.
तो माने स्कूल में बहुत स्ट्रगल किया आपने?
Struggle तो नहीं किया, but you know, here was the thing. See, on a serious note, education in India, and I suspect it still leaves a lot to be desired even today. You know, there's more emphasis on rote learning, not on learning. It was more about, अच्छा, what's in the syllabus? आपको ये पढ़ाया, एग्जाम में यही क्वेश्चन आएंगे, रट के आ जाओ, जवाब दे दो. You know, I guess I wasn't good at that. But कॉलेज आते आते थोड़ा जिम्मेदारी का एहसास भी हो गया, and I guess थोड़ी सी एफर्ट भी ज़्यादा डालना शुरू कर दिया होगा, I guess.
तो इंजीनियरिंग एंड एमबीए, हाँ, ये बहुत हेल्प कर रहा.
बीच में मैंने एक मार्केटिंग भी करी थी.
अच्छा.
I don't mention that too much, but हाँ, पर एक मार्केटिंग का भी मैंने कोर्स किया था ऑस्ट्रेलिया में.
So rephrasing that, engineering, marketing, MBA.
That's right.
What's helping you the most in your company's work?
I would say all three, and I'll give you an example. Engineering at the core of it is about problem solving. That's it. You know, there is a problem, and as a matter of fact, engineer की definition भी यही कहती है. You know, to engineer a solution, to engineer, what is an engineer? Is basically you strip away all the layers, and at the core of it, you'll find a problem solver. Marketing, of course, because you know, I think one of the biggest skill that any CEO, any MD, any entrepreneur needs to have is selling. You know, and of course, selling is part of the marketing. MBA, because you know, if you're running a business, you need to know how to manage it. So I would say, all three educations are probably coming in handy. To assign a value to each of them might be a little difficult, but I would say I'm glad that I got an experience or got to study all these three fields.
जो पहली सैलरी थी after your MBA, वो आपकी अच्छी थी?
I did my MBA from INSEAD. I passed out in 2001. So during the campus,
Recruitment.
actually before I went for MBA, I was already running my business in Russia. But because of certain reasons, because of certain need that I personally felt, I thought I needed this additional skill. So I went for that MBA. And during this campus recruitment, I got an offer and I got placed with Deloitte in their London office. The starting offer was £90,000 plus whatever the perks there were. They gave me a signing bonus, which I gratefully accepted. But then, on due diligence, on due reflection, I realized that I would not be able to last this regular 7 to 5, working environment.
क्यों?
I'm not a morning person.
हाँ.
I can do a lot of things. I can't wake up early in the morning,
और ये
And-
बचपन से ही ऐसा था क्या?
I guess स्कूल में तो जाना पड़ता था, कॉलेज में पहली क्लास हमेशा मिस होती थी और INSEAD में और इवन माय मार्केटिंग एट ऑस्ट्रेलिया वहाँ पे इवनिंग क्लासेस थी मोस्टली, मॉर्निंग क्लासेस हम नहीं लेते थे. सो आई गेस इट वर्कड आउट वेल फॉर मी. सो आई एक्सेप्टेड दैट ऑफर, बट देन आई डिड नॉट जॉइन दैट. सो वो थोड़ा सा करके मैं फिर वापस अपने बिजनेस में ही आ गया. So even though the starting salary wasn't that bad, but I did not end up joining them.
तो मैं ये समझना चाहता हूँ कि an engineer,
Mm-hmm.
come marketing guy,
Mm-hmm.
come MBA,
Mm-hmm.
how come became an interior designer?
I would say partly it was fate, and partly it was sensing an opportunity. We came back to India in 2003, and before then, I had a couple of opportunities where we ended up executing certain interiors, mostly for commercial spaces. तो एक तो मुझे उससे क्या realization हुआ कि I enjoyed doing that. I had 2 other partners who were involved with me there. None of them showed any inclination. As a matter of fact, उनका घर भी मैंने बनाया. He had no idea कि उसके घर में क्या बन रहा है, मुझे ज़्यादा पता होता था. So it was because I think एक अपनी inclination होती है towards certain things. So I realized that we enjoyed doing that. My wife Monica, she was running a graphic design studio. So design किसी भी field में हो, it doesn't really matter whether it's fashion, graphics, interiors, architecture, landscape, it doesn't really matter. There is that sensibility which you need to, I would say there is some innate sensibility, and then partly there is something which you develop, you learn. So I guess we brought both of those skills together. And then, of course, the fate presented us with certain opportunities which we grabbed, and then one thing kept on leading to the other, and here we are today. And today, I say with a certain degree of, I would say pride, but also a lot of humility, that we are the only organization in the country that's a true full-service firm in this field, starting from design to staging and styling of a property, which is the last thing that you do when you finish or wrap up a large project. We do everything, all of that in-house.
तो अब basic मुद्दा, why Essentia Environments?
See, Essentia, though, of course, it's understandable, it's essential. We felt there's a need. Let me start with environments. Environments, क्योंकि जब हम अपनी website ढूंढ रहे थे तो हमें Essentia design, Essentia architecture, Essentia interiors, Essentia वो मिला नहीं. What we got was environments. So I guess, and then we further, when we thought about it, we felt that because we are going to be addressing all the spaces, including outdoors, indoors, so environments kind of fit that. So we took environments. Why Essentia? Siddharth, if you think about it now, what is an alternative to good design? It is not no design, it's bad design. So किसी भी चीज में design नहीं होना वो option है ही नहीं. No matter what you do in the life, even when you are trying to build your career or your life or your space, doesn't matter what it is, there has to be a design. Okay? And agar if it's not good design, then automatically it is bad design. Okay?
There's no in between.
There's no in between. It's either good or bad.
There's no gray.
Okay? There's no gray. So you can't say, मैंने designer को hire नहीं किया, so that's why my house is not designed. It is still designed. The design is still there. It's not good design. It's a bad design. So when you think about it, Essentia becomes essential. That's it. So, and essential is Essentia. That was Essentia. And I think it's very true to the name. The ethos still hold.
Do you genuinely khud believe in the terminology of minimalism?
ऑलवेज। एक तो क्या है देखो, अ, हमारे टाइम में एक्सेस था ही नहीं।
सर
You know,
हमारा टाइम माने कौन सी दौर की बात कर रहे हैं आप?
मतलब सॉरी, आई नो यू अपनी ऑडियंस के लिए यू वांट टू अपीयर 20 इयर्स यंगर देन मी। व्हेन आई से हमारा टाइम, मतलब आई मीन लेट्स से 90s। ओके, इंडिया में nothing was available, so there were only very select few who had access to certain things. Okay, most of us, let's say middle class, upper middle class, even if they had a desire, things were simply not available, so access का कोई opportunity ही नहीं थी, you know. And plus I can middle class से आपको ये आ जाता था जो नहीं चाहिए वो उसको waste क्यों करना, you know. My dad even today he tells me that whatever you put on your plate, make sure you finish it, you know. There is no I would say science behind it, you know. You would rather put it in dustbin rather than in yourself, but that's the mentality कि waste नहीं करना है। तो एक तो वहाँ से आया। दूसरा, आज अगर आप देखते हो तो environmental sustainability is the buzzword. Everybody understands कि there is a need for that. We cannot continue, you know, status quo cannot be maintained. Something needs to change. Science is clear on that. सो अगर हमारा किसी भी प्रोजेक्ट में या किसी भी प्रोडक्ट में 60% 70% से काम चल जाता है, तो बाकी एडिशनल 30-40% क्यों इंट्रोड्यूस करें? एक तो यू एंड अप मेकिंग अ क्लाइंट स्पेंड एक्स्ट्रा। दूसरा, इन माय ओपिनियन, बाय इंट्रोड्यूसिंग एडिशनल एलिमेंट्स यू dilute the ambience, you bring it down, the end result is not good, it gets, I would say, compromised. These are, I would say, by saving 30-40% right at the start, you know, you have contributed significantly towards being sustainable. So तीनों को अगर combine करते हो तो मेरे हिसाब से less is more is the need of the hour.
इनफैक्ट जब मैं आपके साथ वॉक कर रहा था यहाँ पे, मैंने नोटिस किया इतने सारे कर्टन्स थे पर मुझे पता भी नहीं चला कि इतने कर्टन्स थे, और इट वाज सो इजी ऑन द हेड। तो क्या मैं कह सकता हूँ कि यू फाइंड एक्सेस को गॉडी?
हाँ, see, excess is also very subjective. I think anything, I don't know if you've read this book Fountainhead. You know, that I read it when I was very young, and I think it influenced me a little. It was written by Ayn Rand, and she is the, I would say, author of Objectivism, and she I think she was also radical in some senses, but one of the things which she said, the protagonist Howard Rock said was, what is the function that thing needs to serve? You know, beyond that, introducing anything is, I would say, excess. You know, आज curtain का एक purpose है। आपने curtain की बात करी। Now, if you have spent lot of money doing your landscape, you know, you've done the nice, you've introduced lot of interesting elements, or you've done it very elegantly, okay, and you're in your living room, what do you want? Do you want to highlight that or you want to hide it? I'm asking a simple question. You would want to highlight it. Yes. आपको living room में privacy का कितना issue है? It's a living room. It's open. Yes. आपकी maid भी देख सकती है, आपके guest भी आते हैं, सब कोई आता है ना। तो why would you want heavy curtains blocking that view? कोई purpose है उसका? Why do we still find it in most of the houses? Because किसी का commercial interest था, वो curtain वाला आज अगर fabric seller है, वो तो he's being true to his profession. Why should he not promote महंगे कपड़े? Okay, but as a designer, अगर चलो client भी मैं समझ सकता हूँ, कहीं ना कहीं they will probably, you know, lean on the designer or the architect to make these decisions for them. But as a professional, you need to understand this, that there is no need for that. Yes, so simple sheer works. आप bedroom में हो, yes, you need to have those, you know, आपको sunlight block करनी है, आपके privacy issues, I understand, you know, go for it. Curtains की जहाँ तक मेरा हमारे point में आती है बात, you know, I want them to blend in, not grab attention. You know, they're there to serve a purpose, and that's all they need to do, and they need to do it elegantly. That's it, you know.
In fact, when you look back in all the journey that you've had to build your empire called Essentia Environments, if I could call it an empire.
It isn't, but thank you.
ठीक है, I know आपका subtlety और humility अलग level पे है, पर ठीक है, मुझे तो हक है बोलने के लिए। आपका सबसे बड़ा struggle क्या रहा है? What is that moment which was very difficult आपकी wife के लिए और आपके लिए to build this dream?
You know, I'm not saying this because we are on camera. I have a son who's 22 and he has recently joined us. And I tell this to him on a daily basis that the day you're not getting a problem or a new problem, that means you have reached a stagnation. You need to think about adding something new. So what it allows us to do is problems, as long as, and that was also of our making, as long as we continue to stay in a growth mindset, नई प्रॉब्लम्स आती रहेंगी. टुडे इफ वी वांट टू इंट्रोड्यूस न्यू प्रोडक्ट्स, जब वो पहली बारी बनेंगे तो उसमें कुछ गलती भी होगी, कुछ लर्निंग भी आएगी, विल करेक्ट इट. उसी तरह से वेन एवर वी इंट्रोड्यूस सर्टन न्यू आई वुड से डायरेक्शन इन द बिजनेस, तो फिर से कोई नई लर्निंग आती है. सो द फेलियर is, I would say, a critical step towards learning and getting better. That's it. It's not a problem to shy away from.
But मैं genuinely जानना चाहता हूँ about the
Hmm.
initial days of Essentia environments. वो कैसे थे?
I think सारी चीजें they were more hands on, I would say. Today there is a degree of insulation. जब शुरू किया तो सारी चीज़ें हम कर रहे थे, फैक्ट्री भी जाते थे, वहाँ बैठ के कारपेंटर्स के साथ काम भी करवाते थे, साइटों पे भी जाते थे, ड्राइंग्स भी बनाते थे. सो आई थिंक इट वाज मोर, एवरीथिंग वाज, एक सेंस में इट वाज आल्सो, आई वुड से, रिलैक्सिंग, क्योंकि सारी चीज़ें आपके कंट्रोल में थी. इफ देयर आर ओनली 10 पीपल वर्किंग, यू नो ईच एट एवरी इंस्टेंस वो 10 क्या कर रहे हैं. Okay, today if we have larger number, then it just becomes difficult to keep track of everything, and which I think is a good thing. Letting go is a skill which I'm still figuring out. It doesn't come easy, and then this is one thing which I sense that Americans are very good at that. When they think of a business, when they get into any field, at least the entrepreneurs, उनका पहला क्या होता है, what is my exit? इंडियंस की मेंटालिटी क्या है, या मेरी चीज़ है ना, मेरे कंट्रोल में रहनी चाहिए. अगर मुझे नहीं पता कि मेरी टीम क्या कर रही है तो उसमें ना कुछ कमी है. इफ़ आई एम नॉट स्पेंडिंग 20 आवर्स वर्किंग, गिविंग माई बिजनेस, देन आई एम नॉट डूइंग समथिंग राइट. अमेरिकन्स क्या करते हैं, हाउ डू आई इंश्योर दैट आई स्पेंड मिनिमल टाइम एंड गेट मोस्ट आउट ऑफ इट. सो आई थिंक दैट्स द थिंकिंग विच आई एम cultivating in myself. How do I make Hardesh redundant?
आप इतने सारे सर्विसेज ऑफर करते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, एलिवेशन डिजाइन, इंटीरियर डिजाइन, लैंडस्केपिंग, bespoke furniture मैन्युफैक्चरिंग एंड मच मोर. है ना? व्हाट आपके अनुसार आपकी सबसे बड़ी खासियत है? एंड हाउ मच डज वेरिड सर्विसेज मैटर टू यू?
I would say, see, at the heart of it, we are, see, everything starts with the design. What is the starting step? Conceptualization. What is it that you are trying to create? So if you get that wrong, nothing else matters. Because आपकी अगर start ही गलत है, तो आप, no matter how much effort you put in the subsequent things, you're not going to get what is genuinely required. So I would say that's where I think Essentia stands out in is our design sensibilities, our innate sensibilities, which I think all our customers appreciate a lot. Now you can call it contemporary, you can call it minimalistic, you can call it so many things, but I would say that that makes Essentia what it is. Two, I would say we are unique in sense that we are able to offer all these services under one roof. So if anybody is looking at convenience, that seamless delivery of everything, I think we are the only firm that's able to provide. So I would say our design sensibilities, the width of our offering, and of course the overall quality that we bring to the table.
अगर मैं पूछूं कि what has been the contributing factor जिस वजह से आज Essentia environments, आप और आपकी wife Monica, who helps you in the business, is a strong factor in the business, has brought you to this मुकाम, वो क्या होगा?
So I would say, apart from the usual things, like मम्मी पापा की दुआएं, भगवान का सहारा, apart from all those usual things, I would say one of the biggest contributing factors is faith of our customers, that they have put on us. And I'll give you an example. Today we have 2 large experience centers which display all that we manufacture. One is in Gurgaon, one is in Delhi, and they are, I think, by far the largest that is available today. You know, when did we open them?
When?
6 months back. One we opened just 2 months back. One we opened 6 months back. Until 6 months back, customers, my friends, they were giving us orders without having seen what our capability was.
इतना भरोसा था.
इतना भरोसा था. And I think that faith that they bestowed upon us, I think that is, I'm sorry, I can't be thankful enough, you know, for that. In sense that I think has contributed a lot. Because had they said कि यार आपके पास दिखाने को तो कुछ है नहीं, we can't give you the order, we wouldn't have developed those capabilities. So very often I would have said, क्या बनाओगे पता नहीं है, trust करो, you know. फिर ये करोगे, अच्छा ये आपने बनाया तो है नहीं, कैसे बनाओगे, बना देंगे, ट्रस्ट करो. वो ट्रस्ट करते गए कस्टमर्स हमारे ऊपर, एंड आई थिंक दैट हैज हेल्प्ड अस सिग्निफिकेंटली.
चलिए, मुझे गुड कस्टमर एक्सपीरियंसेस आपके साथ और बैड वाले भी शेयर करिए ना.
सुनो, बैड वाला ना, आज अगर हमने 100 कस्टमर के साथ काम किया है, आई एम जस्ट गिविंग यू एग्जांपल, I think and I hope that all 100 of them are my friends. All 100 of them. Some of them may be introverts, उनके साथ रोज बात नहीं होती है. Some of them are extroverts, जिनके साथ आज भी शायद 2 बारी बात हो जाती है दिन में. And that I think is what I always aim for. Essentia is an ongoing firm. ठीक है, we are now looking at getting an IPO done by sometimes in the next few years. My son, who's 22, he has joined. My younger, who's 18, he plans to join us. When your next generation joins, you know, it gives you a sense of longevity. ठीक है, plus lot of my team members are very keen to become kind of and they're stepping up, and I'm assuming they will soon become partners in the endeavor that we are doing, which means Essentia is going to outlast us, me particularly, but I'm hoping that even beyond the next generation. जब वो होता है ना, तो एक प्रोजेक्ट को कभी भी आप, you cannot focus on one project. What you are aiming for, or what you should aim for, is building that relationship. आज each customer, a happy customer is worth 10 new projects. 1-2 तो उसी के आ जाएंगे लाइफ टाइम में, और प्लस 7-8 उसके फ्रेंड्स, फैमिली, उनसे आ जाएंगे. So if that is the goal, then we don't care कि इस प्रोजेक्ट में क्या हो रहा है, लॉस हो रहा है, प्रॉफिट हो रहा है. एंड बहुत ज़्यादा दिमाग भी लगाओगे ना, क्या होगा, 1-2 लाख रुपए का नुकसान हो जाएगा, उससे ज़्यादा नहीं हो सकता. आज हमारा ऐसा कोई कस्टमर नहीं है जो हमसे ये एक्सपेक्ट करता हो कि हम लॉस पे काम करेंगे. ना उनको ज़रूरत है, ना वो चाहते हैं. व्हाट आर दे लुकिंग फॉर कि यार हमारी चीज़ अच्छे से मिल जाए, स्ट्रेस फ्री मिल जाए. दैट्स इट. बीच में कभी कभी कुछ गलत हो जाता है और कस्टमर को लगता है ये हमारी गलती थी, हम कहते हैं ओके, नो प्रॉब्लम, की फ़र्क पैंता है, यू नो, अल्टीमेटली है तो अपने ही फ्रेंड ना.
अच्छा बताइए कि आपने सेलिब्रिटी होम्स भी डिजाइन किए?
हमारे जितने भी प्रोजेक्ट है ना, वो सारे सेलिब्रिटी होम्स है. पूछो कैसे?
कैसे?
आपने अगर एसेंशिया से घर बनवा लिया या स्पेस, ऑफिस, कमर्शियल स्पेस करवा लिया, तो आप सेलिब्रिटी नहीं बन गए क्या?
बताइए बात.
You see, so all our clients are celebrities, and because not because of whatever they have achieved prior to coming to us, but because उन्होंने हमसे काम करवाया है. I tell this to everyone that, you know, unfortunately अभी तक I myself cannot afford Essentia, because, you know, the width of services that we offer, एक अच्छा घर बनाने के लिए या अच्छा ऑफिस बनाने के लिए एक मिनिमल स्पेंड चाहिए. You know, I'm a 100 रुपये की जगह आपने 90 रुपये खर्च किए, लेकिन आपको खुशी नहीं आई, आपको मज़ा नहीं आया, आप रोज़ इरिटेट हो रहे हो, तो वो 90 रुपये इज़ वेस्टेड. सो आई वुड से वो 100 रुपया खर्च करना, अगर वो विद इन रीज़न, वो ज़रूरत है, एंड दैट्स ओनली द अमाउंट अल्टीमेटली बिकम्स वेरी लार्ज, यू नो. एंड टुडे आई डोंट हैव एनी शेम इन सेइंग कि आई कांट अफोर्ड माई ओन सर्विसेज, लेकिन हमारे जितने भी कस्टमर्स हैं, तो वो बाय दिस वर्च्यू दे ऑल बिकम सेलिब्रिटीज, you know.
तो एक दिन मैं भी सेलिब्रिटी बनना चाहता हूँ.
Done. so do I. You know, so do I. Yes.
मन्नत देखी आपने?
मन्नत मूवी के
शाहरुख खान का घर.
Unfortunately शाहरुख जी ने कभी बुलाया नहीं, but I know now he's getting ready to refurbish it. Whenever he invites me, I'll be there.
Do you have a take on the designing of मन्नत?
I would say जितना भी मैंने देखा है पब्लिक डोमेन में उनका घर, I think it fits his personality. You see, home is a very personal thing, and it has to be a reflection of you, who you are. Today, and I think Mannat does that. Why? Because Gauri ji herself is a very accomplished designer. So of course, she would have captured that essence of who Shah Rukh Khan and who the family is. And I think so they have designed it accordingly.
प्रतीक्षा बच्चन साहब का
मैंने सच्ची नहीं देखा. I have no idea. If you're asking me, I have no idea what it is. But I'm assuming Amitabh Bachchan being who he is, I'm saying his home should be. If it isn't, it's a shame. But I'm sure it is a reflection of who he is.
जैसे कहा जाता है कि बिल्डिंग स्पेसेस
हम्म।
आप लोगों के लिए बहुत रिवॉर्डिंग है,
हम्म।
कभी कभार स्पेस क्रंच भी होता है, तो उस सिचुएशन में आप लोग क्या करते हैं?
When you say space crunch, you mean कि जगह कम है, requirement ज़्यादा है.
जी जी.
Of course, see, life. What is life? Life is just a question of choices. Yes, every time you're faced with choices, this or that, this or that. Of course, we have a lot of, I would say, solution to a specific problem. Now, I don't understand what you mean by space crunch. Now, if it's a 2,000 square feet, of course, I can't give you the benefits or the utility of a 20,000 square feet. But within reason, if you have a certain requirement, we should be able to find a solution to whatever that constraint might be. That's our job.
एवरी वुमन
Mm-hmm.
अपने आप को इंटीरियर डिजाइनर समझती है अपने खुद के घर के लिए.
Mm-hmm.
एक एडवाइस उनको जो आप देना चाहते हो वो क्या होगा?
Here is the thing. See, interior design is a very dynamic field. Now, of course, I understand कि आपके घर में आपको क्या चाहिए, आपसे ज़्यादा better कौन समझ सकता है. So of course, with due respect to that, because it's a dynamic field, because every month, every quarter, every year, there are new products, new processes, new technologies being introduced. So as a layman, it may not be possible for you to be aware of all of that. So while you may have a vision in your mind as to how you want your house or your space to look like, I think you still need to lean on a professional. Share your vision. Be part of the process. Let the process be as interactive as you want it to be. And we tell this to all these things. We are happy, making your involvement entirely optional. If you want to be involved to the smallest of the details, the team is more than happy to indulge you in this. And if you want to be completely hands-off, we are also happy to, indulge you with that. So my advice to not just women, but anyone making or thinking of making a new house is note down your requirements, today's, tomorrow's, your aspirations, your wish list, and let a professional take care of that.
आपका आज तक का सबसे cherished project कौन सा है, which is closest to your heart?
Very, it's like saying if you have many children, who's your favorite? Now, I know hote hain, but to publicly admit may not be the right thing. But I'll give you one anecdote, one example. Then not anecdote, but rather an example. One of a very successful entrepreneurs sold his company for an obscene amount, and we made his house in Delhi a few years back. And once the house was done, he threw a party and invited both me and Monica. Monica couldn't make it, so he was a little upset about that. But during the party, he had set up a stage. Okay. Now remember, this guy is worth 10,000 crores or above. Okay, so he's not so money is not an issue. Okay, so he had set up a stage and he invited all his family, extended family from all over the country, and few of his close friends. So it wasn't a large gathering. There were like 30, 35, 40 people. Okay, so he invited me to the stage and he says, Hardesh, you've known me for a long time and I did not share this with you. And today in front of my family and close friends, I want to share this. When I got married, I wasn't rich. Okay. But I told my wife, I promised my wife that I'll keep you like a queen. Okay. Today, I'm fulfilling that promise. And he had tears in his eyes. Every project that we take, we understand that your emotions are attached to it. It's not about brick and mortar. It never is. Okay. It's about my children are going to grow up in this house. I'll be bringing in my daughter-in-law. Or I like this gentleman that I made a commitment to my wife and which is what I'm fulfilling. There are so many varied emotions which are close to your heart. Okay, house is that. We understand that, we empathize with it, and we take this responsibility very seriously.
And it's also about humanizing what you do, right?
It is. It's nothing but. It's nothing but. It's all about that. आज कपड़ों पे क्या होता है कि ठीक है आपने लिया नहीं पसंद आया चेंज कर लिया आगे कर लिया. घर is something or even office when you do it nicely, you know, you expect it to last you for a long time.
चलिए मैंने भी घर खरीदा हुआ है तो मैं विदाउट पेइंग यू आपसे एडवाइस ले रहा हूँ, ठीक है?
Happy to. Advice is always free.
तो व्हाट्स योर टेक
हाँ.
for the kind of colors that should be used for the following. ये मैं नोट्स ले रहा हूँ अपने लिए भी. Living room.
Why just living room? Okay, here is the thing, and now please make a note, not just for yourself, but I hope your audience also benefits from this. And I mentioned this previously also कि अगर आप कोई घर बना रहे हो तो वो आपको 15-20 साल तक लास्ट करना है, ठीक है? So how do you ensure that? One of the things which you need to do that for that is keep the base palette neutral. It could be white, it could be beige, it could be grey, depending upon your personal preference, or white, but keep it earthy, keep it muted, keep it subtle. Okay? दो तीन कारण है. एक, it is easy on the eye. दूसरा, you can easily refresh it by introducing any color. You know, you could introduce a cushion which is of different color, or a art piece, or a throw, or if it's a bedroom, then a different set of bed linen, a carpet, things which can be easily replaced. You can by all means bring color in that. Some things which are fixed, you know, keep them muted. Okay, that's a simple mantra, and that's why you will see around you, you know, all the walls, all the curtains, all the wallpapers, they are muted. You know, and if you want a pop of color, because depending upon, you know, the season, sometimes, you know, every year there's a Pantone shade of the year. Okay, sure, by all means bring in a cushion of the orange color, or mauve or teal, or whatever, you know, is the color in play. Yes.
तो यानी कि अगर मैं पूछूं कि लिविंग रूम से ड्राइंग रूम से वहां मुद्दा.
Yes, it's one house ना. It's not you cannot have that portfolio syndrome कि एक कमरा मैंने क्लासिकल बना दिया, एक कंटेम्प्रेरी बना दिया, एक मैंने मॉडर्न बना दिया, किचन में मैंने वहाँ कर दिया. Why? You know, it's jarring. It's not easy on the eyes. You move from one space to the other. The story has to be cohesive. It has to flow seamlessly. Yes. So please don't. different genre एक प्रॉपर्टी में नहीं होने चाहिए.
वन चीज जो आप कहते हैं कि सबके घर में तो होना ही चाहिए, वो क्या है?
Okay, very difficult question to answer, but let me try. Home is above all a refuge, yes, a haven where you want to be yourself. Okay. Today I would say, because we are bombarded with so much information, that's also a source of stress. I would say in a lot of instances. काम तो अपना है ही है, traffic है, noise है, loud है. So when you come back home, what do you want to do primarily? Of course, you want to sleep and relax and entertain, but you also want to feel at, pardon the pun, feel at home. Yes. So anything that gives you happiness, and it could be different for different people. Now let me just cite some examples. You enjoy watching movies, so you know, it could be the home theater. You like working out, it could be the gym. You like doing yoga, it could be the yoga stadium. You like painting, it could be the, I don't know, a paint studio. You like cooking, it could be the kitchen for you. You like reading newspaper, you know, and then you want कि मैं लॉन में बैठ के न्यूज़पेपर पढूं. That's something which relaxes, or you know, brings my cortisol levels down. So sure. So whatever gives you happiness, I think that is a must. And if you can afford to, build your entire home around that. Okay, because that's what it is. What lets you be? What makes life worth living for you? Okay, that's what it is. If you like to drink and celebrate with your friends, then, you know, bar could be the focal point. So I'm not being, if it's a puja room, if you like doing that, you know, let puja area be your focal point. It could be different for all different people, but think about that, and that is something which you must have in your home. Do not compromise on that.
आप कितना बिलीव करते हो in houses being, homes being vastu compliant?
I have not I've not personally understood the science behind Vastu, but I am one of the biggest advocates of Vastu, and I'll tell you why. And you know, like, because I said that engineering is at the core about problem solving, so this is also, it falls in that realm. घर अगर आप 15-20 साल के लिए करते हो तो 15-20 साल इज़ अ लॉन्ग इनफ टाइम कि यहाँ पे कहीं ना कुछ उल्टा सीधा होगा. जब होगा तो कोई ना कोई आपका वेल विशर आपको ये एडवाइस करेगा कि यार प्लीज़ किसी वास्तु वाले को दिखा लो. अब वो वास्तु कंसल्टेंट आया, उसने आपके घर में 4-5 चीज़ें निकाल देनी है कि आपकी तो जी मेन एंट्रेंस की लोकेशन ठीक नहीं है, आपके बेडरूम की लोकेशन ठीक नहीं है, आपका डब्ल्यूसी गलत जगह पर है या आपका वाटर टैंक गलत जगह पर है। उस केस में क्या होगा? नाउ वेदर यू बिलीव इन वास्तु और नॉट, वहम आ गया। अब वहम आ गया तो आप तोड़वाओगे। तो मेरी सजेशन ये रहती है कि पहले दिन से क्यों ना कर ले। Let's get a Vastu consultant who you trust, who you have faith on, bring him on board. Now he's going to lay down his conditions or his stipulated, his points that we must accommodate, okay? It's a job for us, na? It makes our it forces us to be a little bit more creative, but we are going to accommodate all of that. And better today when nothing has happened than few years down the lane when everything is set and आपके रहते रहते घर में तोड़फोड़ हो रही है. So from that, I'm just being logical here. कि करवा लो, कोई हर्ज नहीं है. It doesn't. There's no downside to it.
इंस्टाग्राम का दुनिया जहाँ पे बहुत से लोग, हम सब इंटीरियर डिजाइन्स के बारे में फोटोज देखते हैं, वीडियोस देखते हैं, पॉपअप होता रहता है. तो आपके लिए क्या मुश्किल होता है टू कन्विंस क्लाइंट्स फिर, क्योंकि इतना एक्सपोजर लेवल हो गया उनका?
I think एक स्टेज पे थोड़ा अच्छा भी है, दूसरे स्टेज पे I think it does make life difficult because client is overexposed. You know, so sometimes what happens is, and I think part of being designer is that you also have to think like a psychologist. It's about capturing sometimes even contradictory preferences within the family and then reconciling that. अब वो contradictory क्यों होती है? Because there's so much exposure, there's so much information, and like I said, in isolation, nothing is good or bad. You know, today we have thousands of products displayed here. All of them are nice, but should I put all of them in one house? Probably not. You know, again, to make a story cohesive, you have to pick one genre and then stick to it. Now, that doesn't mean that other genre or other product or other color or other pattern is bad. It's just that it doesn't work in that. Give you a simpler example. आज आपने decide किया कि थाई खाना खाते हैं, उसमें मुगलाई भी डाल दो. Will it work? Nothing wrong with Mughlai khana. You know, it's at times you want those chicken tikkas and
But
all this
eat
thing.
that for its entirety.
That's right. अब sushi खाने गए हो तो फिर sushi के साथ खाओ ना. Sushi के साथ अब ये थोड़ा ना कड़ी चावल थोड़ी ना combine करोगे. You know, वो दोनों का palate ही खराब हो जाएगा. Does that make sense?
आप बड़े जबरदस्त एग्जांपल्स देते हो. हाँ,
Sorry यार.
I like it. बड़ा अच्छा है.
हाँ,
खाने का एग्जांपल, आई एम ऑलवेज फॉर इट. हाँ, एक ट्रेंड जो आपको वाकई में लगता है कि फ्यूचर में भी एक नेसेसिटी बन जाएगी.
I won't say it's trend. I think one of the things, especially is part of the country में, pollution is getting out of control. So I think air purification, even though we have been introducing in our projects for some time now, I think soon, if not already, it's going to become a necessity rather than a luxury. You know, तो वो होना चाहिए क्योंकि pollution levels they simply have gotten out of control.
वन ट्रेंड जो आप विश करते हैं कि वो एंड हो जाए, वो कौन सा है?
I would say again.
तो बोल दीजिए.
हाँ, मतलब again मैं कह रहा हूँ, something on its own is neither good nor bad. It's how you make use of it. You know, आज मैं आपसे पूछूं कौन सा ऐसा खाने का आइटम है, आपने खाने का एग्जांपल लिया, which you want to eliminate. Now, कौन सा ऐसा है? You know, if you don't like beans, it's not the fault of beans per se. It's just that कि you know you may not like in chipotle, but वो राजमा चावल तो अच्छे लगते हैं ना. So in sense, how you use that I think makes it relevant. So I don't think there is anything which I would per se want to be eliminated, but not using anything in excess. But कभी-कभी excess भी चाहिए होती है. Again, I'll come back zeroing on to Oscar Wilde, who said, everything should be done in moderation, including moderation. Sometimes excess is also okay. It just depends how and how often. Yes.
आप और मैं अभी मिनिमलिज्म की बात कर रहे थे. लिटिल बिट ऑफ अ टफ स्टेटमेंट, पर ठीक है, डोंट होल्ड इट अगेंस्ट मी. दिल्ली वालों को मैक्सिमलिज्म की बहुत आवश्यकता होती है. इज दैट ट्रू?
I don't think you can generalize with Delhi people. I think it's see, we get clients from all over the country, and sometimes clients come to us when they have already designed or partly executed, you know, and they sense that they're not happy with what is happening. And when we look at their plans or what is happening at the site, it does lean towards maximalism. And sometimes, you know, South is not a place where you would generally associate with excess, but we are seeing examples from there also. And I suspect uh, that you know, sometimes people do tend to, mm, I would say, listen to the professional and do that. And I think that's where what I meant, that it's criminal that when professionals kind of, how should I put it, not force, but rather, what would be the better, softer word for force, that कि उनको, now you know, I'm okay, for lack of better word, that force their clients to go with certain things without giving them complete clarity. Okay, it's like and I'm not saying it's wrong, because sometimes you know, when you are making something and it's difficult to appreciate things when they're half done. Okay, so sometimes you do end up saying, रुको यार, खत्म होने दो, फिर बात करेंगे. But because today we have those tools where we can show them the finished product even before it becomes ready, and not to use that and then to expect the client to trust you with their hard-earned money, resources, time, effort. I think that's not the best way. And sometimes when they come to us, so often it is their personal preferences, but quite on the other instances, it's also that they have been kind of the professional or the architect or the designer convinced them to go that route.
आपने हमेशा ये यूज किया कि मैं, मेरी टीम, मेरे प्रोडक्ट्स, मेरी कंपनी वैल्यू ओरिएंटेड है, ये शब्द आप अक्सर यूज करते हैं, उसका मतलब क्या?
Okay, very good question, and now let me see if I can answer it in a way that makes sense.
So you make a lot of sense, by the way.
So now let's say you want to do something, it could be anything, doesn't really matter, and you know you have assigned a budget, X budget to that. Okay, you get it in X, you spent X, you're not happy with it. Okay, was X well spent?
No.
Okay, you get it in X, you enjoy it, but the process itself was very stressful.
No.
You got it in X, you like what you got, it took far longer.
No.
Okay, you got it in X, you like it, but it took far too much of your mind space.
No.
Again, so versus maybe it cost X, maybe it cost X plus 5%, you know, but you got all of the other things. It was stress free, it provided, it got done in record time, you know, faster than what you could have done. It eliminated the need of your involvement.
ये मेरी फिलॉसफी इन लाइफ इन जनरल भी है कि थोड़ा ज्यादा खर्च करो पर लोड कम लो.
So and then, but यहाँ पे आपको ये मैं बता रहा हूँ कि even if you ended up spending a little more, it still brought loads of value. Now I'm saying it even cost you less. X की जगह X minus 5 या 10% ही हुआ है, and you got everything else.
It's a no-brainer.
It's a no-brainer. But sometimes what happens is people go for the cheaper one. कि ये सस्ता है, उससे करा लेते हैं, and एक एजेंसी को engage करने की बजाय they go with 10, 20 multiple agencies. Okay, आइसोलेशन में वो एजेंसीज हो सकता है सारी सस्ती हो, एक एक करके, लेकिन प्रॉब्लम कहाँ पर आती है प्रोजेक्ट में, जब वो कोऑर्डिनेशन, जब वो एक एजेंसी आएगी वो बोलेगी मैंने ये बनाया था इस ड्राइंग के हिसाब से, इस एजेंसी ने कहा मैंने ये बनाया था इस ड्राइंग के हिसाब से, दोनों फिट नहीं हो रहे. गलती किसकी है? आई हैव नो आइडिया. क्लाइंट की गलती है, आर्किटेक्ट की गलती है, किसकी गलती है, यू नो, हु टेक्स केयर. तो ये सब क्या करता है, अल्टीमेटली इट लीड्स टू टाइम डिलेस, कॉस्ट एस्केलेशंस, एंड unimaginable stress in the process. Unimaginable stress. 2, there are instances where X की जगह 2X खर्च हो गया, कोई जरूरत नहीं थी, हो गया. So I think 1, by being creative, we bring down the overall spend. जरूरत ही नहीं है. Today I always maintain there is a need for minimum spend, लेकिन by being creative, आज you know, abundance of money, abundance of time, अच्छी चीज बना ली तो क्या तीर मारा. ओके, अगर पैसे की कमी नहीं है और टाइम की भी कमी नहीं है, आपने चीज़ बनाई, अच्छी नहीं लगी, तोड़ के दोबारा बना ली, अरे अच्छा लगा दोबारा कर दो, ये कर दो, अल्टीमेटली क्या होगा, वो हिट एंड ट्रायल से अच्छी चीज़ बन ही जाएगी, यू नो. लेकिन इसमें स्किल क्या है? वी जेन्युइनली मेंटेन दैट 1, विदाउट हैविंग टू ओवर स्पेंड. एज अ प्रोफेशनल, आई थिंक इट्स योर ड्यूटी to indicate that on the first meeting itself. Sometimes we lose clients कि हमारा तो इतना budget ही नहीं है, and I tell them it's not about your budget or not. Either you reduce the scope of work, okay? You leave some work undone for the future, okay? Or you're going to spend this much. There is no other. You cannot navigate around this simple fact.
चलिए talking about घर, आपकी family का बताओ ना.
घर मेरे घर के बारे में
हाँ
यार अब तो पुराना हो गया, but I live with my parents.
जी.
And so we have now about time आ गया because my elder one has is nearing that marriageable age, so we have to bring our bahu. तो उसके हिसाब से तो घर डिजाइन नहीं है, so I think it's high time. But yeah, but it's a nice house. I love for you to come and visit. It's built around a courtyard. We have a tree in the center of our house, which is the focal point. And I think every time we have some people coming over, we always congregate around that tree. So that I think is one of the nicer things. Yeah,
And
it
you've got a
served us
lovely partner in crime, Monica.
I wouldn't say partner. I would say she is the, you know, सिर मेरा होगा गर्दन उसकी है. So I turn wherever she tells me to. Yes.
How sweet. I remember meeting her at an event.
Yeah.
What amazing energy यार.
And she is very
And
passionate.
उनका जो soul है, उनका जो affection है, warmth, it's so genuine.
And I think Essentia is a true reflection of her passion and talent. It won't be here where it is today, wherever it is, it doesn't matter. But she is the, I would say that, I would say she's the one who brings soul to everything that Essentia does. You know?
Thank you so much, Hardesh.
My pleasure,
What
sir.
an incredible journey.
My pleasure, sir.
जी हाँ, और आपने इतने प्यारे प्यारे एग्जाम्पल्स दिए तो हम सब के लिए रिलेटेबल भी था.
Yeah.
And I know you live, breathe what you do.
Mm-hmm.
Essentia Environments, I know, is your heart, your soul,
It is.
everything.
अब genuinely speaking ना, कभी छुट्टी हो जाती है ना, my wife will get a migraine because if you're not thinking about work, we have no idea what to do. This is what it is.
I
Yes.
feel you, Sirji. I feel you.
I'm sure you do.
And I know आप
Yes.
obviously one of
uh.
the finest interior design companies in India हो.
हाँ.
और जैसे मैं शुरुआत में भी कहा था, you make people reimagine luxurious living. But most importantly, you do it with a heart. Hardesh ji,
you.
thank you so much.
Thank you, my friend.
See you
Such
soon.
a pleasure.
Okay?
Such a pleasure.
Such a pleasure. Thank you.
Yeah.